Don't do this if you wouldn't want your leather shoes to last for years. This trick was shown to me by my uncle, who has worked as a cobbler for many years. Shoes made of genuine leather absorb moisture easily without proper protection, which quickly leads to damage. But I have a solution for that. Add 1 tablespoon of baby shampoo to a bowl. It's gentle, doesn't dry the leather out, and helps clean the surface without damaging its structure. Then pour in about 2 fluid ounces of olive oil, which nourishes, softens, and protects the leather from cracking. Also add about 2 fluid ounces of vinegar. The vinegar helps protect the leather from moisture. Finally, add a few drops of lavender essential oil, which has antibacterial properties and leaves a pleasant scent. Mix everything thoroughly with a spoon so the ingredients combine well. Apply the prepared mixture evenly to the shoes and spread it carefully over the entire surface. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Remove the excess with a paper towel. After a few minutes, reach for Vaseline. Apply a small amount with a cotton swab, focusing on creases and dry areas. Leave the shoes for about 1 hour so the leather can absorb everything. Finally, wipe them with a dry microfiber cloth to remove any residue and give them a subtle shine. Thanks to this method, you'll waterproof your shoes for many seasons to come.